Hi everyone, welcome back to Scratch. Today it is a special one because it's a bonfire special. So I'm going to pick the firework fortune ticket and we will see how we get on. So happy 5th of November everyone. Okay, so we've got a watch and a horseshoe. Got to match 2 in a row for this one. No luck there. Okay, game 2. It's yours higher than theirs. Oh, we've got 16 higher than 9 for £5. Okay, that's not bad. Next game is to add up to 10. And we have no luck. Game 4 is to find a coin. Oh, we've got a coin for £5. And another coin, wow. Okay, so this is a £15 winning session. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video for bonfire night. Stay safe, stay well and enjoy. Take care for now. Bye. Oh, please don't forget to remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Take care.